Today, again, you all are welcome on the YouTube channel Sewashram, Nepal. Today, we are going to solve third problem from YouTube channel Sewashram, Nepal. The problem is, how can we solve root 2 plus square root of x equals to 2? Here, two methods might be applicable to solve this problem. One method is for class 8 students and another method is for class 9 and 10 students. Generally, in teaching learning methodology, simple method is used first, but here we are going to use the method which is little bit complex, which is easily understood by class 9 and 10 students. Why? That you will understand later on. So here first method is requiring one formula for you to be familiar with. What's that? That is quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If this is the situation, then what is the value of x? X equal to minus b plus minus under a square root b square minus 4ac over 2 multiplied by a. So, to get this form from the given equation, what we have to do? First of all, to get the value of x, anyhow, this square root should be eliminated. So, how is it possible? And at the same time, how can we apply this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0? What we have to do? We have to apply squaring both sides. So when we apply squaring both sides, then root 2 plus root x square equal to 2 square. Now we apply the formula, simple formula a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a means square root 2, b means square root x. So a square root 2 whole square plus 2, a means root 2, b means square root x plus b square means root x whole square equal to 2 square. Now root 2 whole square, if square root of any term is squared, then square root, the symbol of square root is eliminated. This square eliminates this square root. What happens? Simple a. Same formula is applied here. Here this square eliminates the square root symbol. What remains? Only 2. Then 2. Now here root 2 multiplied by root x, both are multiplied under single sign of a square root, we put 2x, as you have already understood. Now here a square also eliminates a square root 4. Now we have to understand that we are going to find out the value of x. So here this, as far as possible, this square root also should be eliminated so that this x under a square root should not have the symbol a square root. So what we have to do? Only this term 2 square root 2x should be in the left hand side and all other terms should be in the right hand side. So 4 left plus 2 goes to right hand side becoming minus 2, plus x goes to right hand side and it is written minus x. So here 4 minus 2 2 minus xx. Now again we have to apply squaring both sides because we do not need the value of square root x. We need the value of only x. So here a square root should be eliminated. So how can you eliminate a square root? We have to apply squaring both sides. So 2 under square root 2x square 2 minus x whole square, and again we apply the formula here a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. This 2 is also a square, so 2a square and a square root 2x square root 2x whole square. So a square 2a square minus 2ab 2ab plus b square x square. Now 2 square means 4. Again a square eliminates a square root 2x, 2 square 4 minus 2 to the 4x plus x square. Here this 4 multiplied by 2, 8x equal to 4 minus 4x plus x square. Now again we are going to remember the hypothesis. Which hypothesis we had thought over? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So to get this form, this first of all the terms should be in the either in descending order or ascending order. So here this x, I mean 8x should go to the right hand side. So it becomes, if there is no term, what it is left? 0 equal to 4 minus 4x plus x square, this plus 8x minus 8x. Now 4 minus 4x minus 8x comes here, same terms, minus 4x minus 8x plus x square, minus 4x minus 8x, both are the same sign, that's why these two are added. Sign would be that sign which are written, minus 8 4 12 plus x square. Now you have to see the terms are in ascending or descending order. Yes, it is in ascending order. X to the power 0, x to the power 1, x to the power 2. Now you have to think here that one simple formula, addition subtraction method is applicable or not. So first the coefficient of first term and the coefficient of third, I mean last term, should be multiplied. So what is the coefficient of x to the power 0? 4. And what is the coefficient of x square? 1. 4 1s are 4. Now this 4 1s are 4. Now 12 should be broken into two such numbers whose addition would be 4 to get simple factors. But it is not possible because 4 is very, very larger than 4. 12 is very, very larger than 4. That's why this method is not applicable. So to get ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form, right hand side comes to the left hand side and left hand side goes to the right hand side to make it easier to be understood. So 4 minus 12x plus x square equal to 0. Now to get exact form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, x square minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0. So here we get, to make it familiar with A. So we are going to put 1 here, 1x square. To get B, 2 here we need plus, so here we put plus. If we put here plus, then minus 12 comes inside, which is equal to B, then C means 4. So we get exact form ax square plus bx plus c, where a equal to 1, b equal to minus 12, c equal to 4. Now what is the value of x? Minus b plus minus under square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So minus b means minus 12 plus minus under square root b square, b means minus 12 square minus 4 a means 1, c means 4 over 2a means 1. Now we are going to turn the page. X equal to minus multiplied by minus plus 12 plus minus under square root minus 12 square means minus 12 multiplied by minus 12 minus multiplied by minus equal to plus 12 is a 144 minus multiplied by minus equal to plus. So 144 minus 4 is a 16 multiplied by 1 equal to 16 over 2 is a 2. 12 plus minus 144 minus 16 equal to 128. Now we have to think, is it possible to find out the square root of 128? So for this, what is the simple method? We have to find out simplest factors of 128. I mean LCM of 128, least common multiples of 128. For that, we divide 128 by a smallest prime number, that is 2. We get 64. Again by a smallest number 2, we get 34. Again by a smallest number 2, we get 16. Again by a smallest number 2, we get 8. Again by a smallest number 2, we get 4. Again by a smallest number 2, we get 2. So this is the lowest prime number. Now 128 equals to how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 2. So to find out exact square root of 128, whatever factors we have got, that should be written in a square form. So here 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 2a square, 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 2a square, 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 2a square, and this is the single 2. So to make it easy, we have written 2 multiplied by 2 equal to a square, because if there is a square multiplied by b square multiplied by c square, it can be written as, to make it simple, abc whole square. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 8 square multiplied by 2. So what we can write? X equal to 12 plus minus under square root 8 square multiplied by 2 over 2, 12 plus minus. So we are going to make it separate. 8 square under square root, and at the same time 2 also under square root. To make under square root 8 square one whole number. So here 12 plus minus here 8 square. This 8 square, this square eliminates this square root, so it becomes 8 and under square root, because there is no square root of 2 which can be written in whole number, so it is remained under square root 2. So now here this 12, now we have taken common. To cancel it with 2, to divide it with 2, we have to take common. So what is the common between 12 and 2? 8. What is the highest common factor between 12 and 8? So we are going to find out the factors. 12 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 8 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. I mean 4 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 2, so that 4 is common. 4 is common. So 4 is common. 4 2 is 8. 4, 4 is common. So 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12 plus minus 4. 4 2 is 8 root 4 2 is 8 root 2 over 2. So here 2 2 is 4. 2 2 is 4, 2, and inside bracket 3 plus minus 2 root 2. So two solutions are possible here. One is x equal to 2, inside bracket 3 plus 2 root 2. Another one possible solution is 2 multiplied by 3 minus 2 root 2. This is 2 3 is 6 plus 2 2 is 4 root 2, and that is 2 3 is 6 minus 2 2 is 4 root 2. Now see another which is correct, either this or this. So to check that also second method is applicable here, which is which might be understood by class 8 students. So what is our question? Root 2 plus root x equal to 2. That is our question. Root 2 plus root x equal to 2. Now we need the value of x. That's why the term related to x should be written in the left hand side, and all other terms should be written in right hand side. So there is single term which is related to x, that is root x. It is only written in the left hand side, and others in the right hand side, that is here 2, and root 2 goes to the right hand side, it becomes plus root 2 becomes minus root 2, and now this square root should be eliminated. So what we have to do, you already know that for this we have to apply squaring both sides. So left hand side also is squared, right hand side also squared. So root x whole square equal to 2 minus root 2 whole square. Again root x whole square means, as we have already done before so many times, a square eliminates a square root. X equal to a square, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square 2a square minus 2ab minus 2, formula 2, a means 2, b means root 2 plus b square means root 2 whole square. So here x equal to 2a square 4 minus 2 to the 4 root 2 plus root 2a square, 2 eliminates a square root, so it becomes simple 2. Now 4 and 2 equal to 6. So this is our final answer. So generally it is written at the last. Therefore x equal to 4 plus 2 equal to 6 minus 4 root 2. So here in the first answer, the answer with minus is most suitable, 6 minus 4 root 2. So this is our this is the answer. So these are the two methods to find out the value of x in the problem root 2 plus root x equal to 2. So again you subscribe the YouTube channel Sewashram Nepal and watch previous videos and coming videos to be familiar with different questions which are asked again and again, and which are also very curious and interesting. Thank you so much.